Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome once again, and today I am going to teach you about the linear equation in one variable, not very big but only less. And the speciality of 100 plus views, you must be thinking that how I am. It's not shocking that 100 plus views only and I had making a video on the specialty of that. It's because छोटी छोटी बातों में बड़ी बड़ी खुशी बनाना हमारा आदत है. First time I think I had ever crossed the 100 plus views, so I'm making the specialty of this video, and it is the topic of maths. Basically it is the topic of maths, and I thought that maths I had not teach you nowadays videos, so any new thing we should be doing. So let's start the math subject, and in that I am going to teach you about the linear equations, not of two variables, only of one variables, by giving the definitions, the examples. Some example I would be giving you, and then how we will be going to solve it. So let's get started. First of all, let's see the definition of linear equation. So the definition is of linear equation in one variable, an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Actually it is, I have to write in the not capital, but it present in the capital due to the slides, where a and b, this a, 1 minute, where this a and b are two integers. Okay, are two integers. I think you must be knowing about the integers. Okay, and this x is a variable and has only one solution. Okay, this a and b are the integers, like integers like a numbers. Okay, about the integers, about the variables, I must be teaching you in my further videos. Now let's go on topic of linear equation. A and b are the integers, x is a variable which has only one solution. Let's solve the linear equation in one variable. You must be thinking that only 4 questions, but it is the examples I am writing. The main questions which you have to solve, I must be giving homework also in this video, because maths is a very important subject. I think most of the students like it and most also hate it, because the equations, the formulas, learning is very hard. But here the equations are very easy given. Let's solve it. So first one is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So first I want to tell you about the sign, that don't use equal to sign 0, because there is another signs given, that is sign is of equation. This is not. This is the equation sign. Okay, every time use this. So what we were doing, that here x is given as a variable, 2 and 3 are given integers, and 7 is also an integer. So 7 will be moved here. And here minus 3 will be changed to plus 3. How? See, 2x minus 3 will be is equal to 7. So here 2x will be remain as it is, because x is a variable and we can't change it, no? So those who are the integers, we have to change it. 7 will come here. So 2x is equal to 7. Minus 3 will be changed into plus 3. Now what will be coming? 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 will be 10, and x is equal to, this is very easy. So the answer is 5. So here we will write the answer is 5. The answer is 5. Okay. The next question is 2 plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Same as here the variable is y. 2 plus 9, 9 is and 4 are the integers. So change it, 4 will be coming here and 9 will be coming here, and the plus 9 will change its place, it will be minus 9. So 4 minus 9, minus 5 will come. Then 2y is equal to minus 5. Okay, 2y is equal to minus 5 will come, and when the y will be here and 2 will be stable in downside, then what will be the answer? The answer is, let me write, okay, the answer is minus 5. Minus 5. Can you see, guys? 1 minute. The answer is minus 5, but in the Hindi we are saying that minus 5 divided by 2. 2 divided by minus 5. Yes, that's what. So this is, let's choose the next color, and 1 minute, let's choose. Now next question is x by 3 plus 5 beta 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Here everything is given by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. What we have to do is equal to, let's solve these questions very fastly. So third one we reach. Here we have to change minus 3 into here and plus 5 into here, and the minus 3 beta 2, minus 3 beta 2 plus is there, then it will be changed into 5. Here the LCM, if you know about the LCM, comment down. Don't know, then also comment, I will make a video. So here 2 is the same LCM, so no need to worry, just minus it, minus minus plus 3 minus 3 plus 5, what is the answer? Fast, minus 8 beta 2. Here 2 is there, 2 4 will be the answer. Here here x by 3, x by 3 is equal to 4. Now what you will do? Simply just the 3 multiply it with the 4. So x is equal to, and here 4 will not, minus 4, sorry. Here minus is there, now we have to put no. Minus 4. And what will be the answer? Let's clear. The answer will only a short, that is minus 12. It's 12, okay. You can write it on your notebook or a simple page onwards. The next is 15 by 4 minus 7 x. It's x, so say, not multiply, okay. And is equal to 9. This also same method, just you have to do what? Minus 7x is given, okay, just it is divided, okay. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So just change the places. Then minus 7x is here the variable is minus 7x, so minus 7. So what to do? Minus 7x, your variable is x, so minus 7x is equal to 9 will be remain, and this 15 beta 4 will be this side by minus. The signs will be changed if we change its place. Yep, 9 beta 1. Now we have to take the LCM. 1 and 4 LCM will be 4. And here 15 by 4 we don't need to change. Here we have to change. So 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 15 will be 21. And minus 7 is equal to 21 by 4. Now here cross multiplication. How? Let me see you. Here minus 7 x is equal to 21 by 4. Here nothing is there, just put 1 and cross multiplication. So minus 28x is equal to minus 21. Now x is will be here and 21 by 28, and now cut it. The answer is now 3 by minus 4. So this is the answer. Here we solved our 4 examples. The video is going very long, so here we ended with the examples. The homework, do you want it? Let's see the next slide by the homework, and you have to do it and give me the answer in the comment section. So here the homework of your given. If you want to do it, otherwise I'm going to give the answer in my next video because the video is going to be quite long. This is the question: x minus 2 is equal to 7, y plus 3 is equal to 10, 6 is equal to z plus 2, 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to minus 17 by 7. I want to tell you really that I am giving you as a homework now. This is for the revision purpose. It is not any homework given by me. If you are trying and trying and trying till you get learn about it, you will be easily get learn. So for your practice onwards, I am giving you this examples, some examples, the 5 only there. If you want to solve, it's your choice. If you're not, then also it's okay. And but those who are solving it, please comment down the answer. I would be really checking your comments. And the another thing that I am going to reply those answers in my next video. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like it. Share, like it. Press the like button. Press the like button. Subscribe and share. LSS, like, share, subscribe my channel. That's for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and congratulations for me to cross 100 views. Thank you very much for you also.